In this video, I will show you how to disable captions on TikTok videos. So to disable captions on TikTok videos, all you have to do now, as you can see now, if I now play this video now, I can be able to see two captions is playing under this video. So as you can see now, here is the first caption by the video. So and you can see there's another caption under the video. As you can see now, this is by TikTok. So if you want to disable the caption now, tap on this arrow. As you can see now, this arrow beside the video. So by tapping on this arrow now, as you can see now, tap on this where it says captions. So by tapping on these captions, as you can see now, here it says show captions. So tap on this section. So as you can see now I turn off the captions under this TikTok video. So now if I play any video on TikTok, I can't be able to see any caption from TikTok, but I can be able to see the default caption that is recorded by the TikTok videos. As you can see now, now I can be able now to see only one caption under this video. So now if you open any video on TikTok, you can see only one caption under it, because you disable the second that is given by TikTok, the default caption. As you can see, I can be able to see only one caption. That's it guys on how to disable caption on TikTok videos. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.